Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So the fallout in yesterday's news that there is a potential bubble bursting in the AI and tech stock industry. Saw Wall Street have a little bit of a sell-off. The Dow dropped over 400 points as well as the S&P and Nasdaq moving lower. But it wasn't just American stocks and indices feeling the stray. European stocks also opened lower in today's session as well. And with the US government shutdown going into its second month, we probably won't have any non-farm payroll data today as well. So we're just seeing now well, we haven't seen a complete burst, but I was just seeing signs of a little bit of a pullback. Obviously, in the last 6 months, we've had this meteoric rise in shares and stocks for AI and tech. So there was naturally going to be a bit of a pullback, but we'll just see how much of a downturn that will be. So just looking into the Dow straight away on the intraday chart, as you can see here, we had over 400 point drop, and it does seem to be dropping even lower towards, well, away from 47,000, which will be quite significant. If we look on the daily chart, we're just seeing now that prices do still remain in a bullish channel, because if you remember a few weeks ago at the beginning of October, we did see this massive drop off before price action started to move lower and back to record highs. So it could just be a little bit of a dip in the market at the moment before we have a prolonged move to the upside. But as you can see here, sharply falling away from the overbought area is the RSI, moving to the neutral zone. So there was naturally going to be a bit of a come down, but we'll just wait and see how much of a downturn that will be. If we look on the S&P, as you can see here as well, really subdued now, really pressured to get price action back up to where it was before. The only concern we've got here is when the prices penetrate the previous tops that we've seen, the previous swing highs, then this is a little bit of a worry that we can't get back to the prices that we were at before. So lots to take in, lots to think about. As I said, the European stocks are a little bit pressured as well. So it's like a global thing at the moment. We just have to wait and see if prices do start picking up in the near term, or if this worry around the across the board of AI stocks really starting to hit lower is going to have a bearing for the rest of the year. But don't forget, most of the big earners for this earnings season have been and gone. Now we're just waiting for the Fed's next move, and obviously if the government shutdown does end anytime soon. So these are the big factors we'll be looking at. But as always, we'll bring you all the latest in fundamentals and technicals as they come. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.